Cats are natural hunters, and their keen senses are finely tuned to detect the slightest movements of their prey. However, when it comes to slow-moving objects, their perception can be quite different. To a cat, slow-moving objects may appear stagnant or uninteresting. It's as if they're thinking, why bother with that when there are faster, more exciting things to chase? This is because their instincts are geared towards detecting rapid movements, which typically signal potential prey. So if you've ever noticed your cat ignoring a slow-moving toy or object, it's just their inner hunter prioritizing the most enticing targets. Did you know that cats might be the only mammals that can't taste sweetness? Cats are completely oblivious to the allure of sugar. While we humans are busy devouring cakes, cookies, and candles, cats are left wondering why we're so obsessed with these mysterious, flavorless treats. Cats lack the taste receptor for sweetness, known as the TAS1R2 gene. Their taste buds are wired for detecting meat and fat, which makes sense given their carnivorous nature. Cats have a paw preference, similar to how humans might be left or right-handed. Male cats are more likely to be left-pawed, while female cats are more likely to be right-pawed. Just like humans, cats have a dominant paw that they prefer to use for tasks that require precision or strength, such as batting at toys or opening doors. While the reasons behind this paw preference aren't entirely understood, it adds another layer of complexity to our understanding of our feline friends. Did you know that cats have a rather unique way of walking? They move both of their right feet first, followed by both of their left feet. This distinctive gait sets them apart from most other animals, who typically move their legs in alternating patterns. This style of walking can also be seen in other animals, such as camels and giraffes. Cats are expert tightrope walkers thanks to their long, elegant tails. When they're jumping or walking along narrow ledges, cats use their tails as built-in balance beams. With each step, their tail acts as a counterweight, helping them maintain their equilibrium and navigate precarious paths with ease. Cats' tongues are like built-in scrub brushes. Their rough tongues are covered in tiny backward-facing barbs called papillae. Papillae? P-A-P-I-L-A-E, okay, papillae, which make them perfect for grooming and, believe it or not, cleaning bones. Those papillae work like a natural exfoliant, helping cats remove dirt, debris, and even tasty morsels of meat from their prey. Cats can use their rough tongue to remove every last shred of meat from a bone. Cats are the ultimate stealth ninjas of the animal kingdom. When they walk around, they make very little noise thanks to the thick, soft pads on their paws. It's like having a miniature spy on four legs. Those padded paws allow them to sneak up on their prey with ease or to surprise you when you least expect it. Did you know that cats have nearly twice the amount of neurons in their cerebral cortex as dogs? Despite their reputation for being independent and aloof, cats have some serious brain power. With their enhanced cerebral cortex, cats are masters of perception, memory, and problem solving. They're like the Einsteins of the animal kingdom, constantly analyzing their surroundings and devising cunning strategies, usually involving how to get more treats. Cats have whiskers not only on their faces, but also on the backs of their front legs. These whiskers, known as carpal whiskers or carpal vibrissae, are located on the wrists of their front paws. These extra whiskers serve an important purpose. Just like the whiskers on their faces, carpal whiskers help cats navigate their surroundings and detect changes in their environment. They're like little sensors, providing cats with valuable information about their surroundings and helping them gauge distances and detect objects, particularly when exploring tight spaces or hunting prey. Cats have an extra sensory organ that gives them a unique ability to taste scents in the air. It's called the Jacobson's organ, or the vomeronasal organ, and it's located on the roof of their mouth. This organ allows cats to detect pheromones and other chemical signals in the environment, giving them a whole new dimension of perception. While this superpower might be fantastic in a chocolate factory, it's not always so great in less savory environments like a pigsty. Imagine getting a taste of those pungent piggy odors with every breath. No, thank you. Cats have a whopping 230 bones in their bodies, while humans have a mere 206, giving them a bit of an edge when it comes to flexibility and agility. These extra bones are mainly found in their spine and tail, allowing for those incredible leaps, twists, and contortions that cats are famous for. Whether they're performing a graceful mid-air spin or squeezing through the tiniest gap, their superior skeletal structure has got them covered. Did you know that cats have a unique skeletal quirk? Their collarbones or clavicles don't actually connect to their other bones. Instead, these bones are buried within their shoulder muscles, giving cats their legendary flexibility and grace. This anatomical feature allows cats to squeeze through incredibly tight spaces, inches. Ever wonder how your kitty manages to slip through the tiniest gaps or perform acrobatic leaps with such ease? It's all thanks to those free-floating collarbones. Cat claws curve downward, making them natural-born climbers, but also creating a bit of a challenge when it comes to getting down from trees. Because of this claw design, cats can't climb down head first. Instead, they have to perform a rather awkward and amusing maneuver, backing down the trunk. So if you ever spot a cat descending a tree butt first, don't worry, they're just doing what nature intended. When it comes to communication, your kitty also channels their inner tiger. Those meows, purrs, and body signals are their way of keeping you in the loop, much like tigers roaring or marking their territory. Speaking of marking, ever notice your cat rubbing their face against furniture or you? That's their way of claiming their territory, akin to a tiger's scent marking in the wild. Did you know that your cuddly domestic cat shares 96% of its genome with a tiger? Despite their pint-sized frames, domestic cats exhibit many behaviors similar to their wild tiger counterparts. Take hunting, for example. Just like tigers, your cat is a natural predator. Whether it's a toy mouse or an unfortunate insect, their stalking and pouncing skills are straight out of the tiger playbook. Cats might be a bit short-sighted, but don't let that fool you. Cats have peripheral vision, and their night vision is far superior to ours, turning them into the ninjas of the night. While we're stumbling around in the dark, cats are prowling like stealthy predators, ready to pounce on the tiniest of movements. Their eyes are built for low-light conditions, with a higher number of rod cells in their retinas, allowing them to see with remarkable clarity when the sun goes down. So the next time you see your kitty staring off into the distance, looking like they're in a trance, they're probably just spotting something you can't see. Just be thankful their nocturnal escapades involve chasing shadows and not plotting world domination. Or are they? Cats can have asthma? Asthma in cats is a thing. It's a chronic inflammation of the tiny airways in their lungs, affecting 1 to 5% of our feline friends. Who knew? While asthma can't be cured, don't worry, your cat can still live their best 9 lives with the right meds, including an inhaler. Yes, cats use a tiny inhaler, just like humans. So with the right treatment, your cat can go from wheezing to purring in no time. Just like dog tails, cat tails are the emojis of the feline world, giving you a sneak peek into their mysterious minds. If your cat's tail is standing straight up like a flagpole, they're basically saying, "Hey there, I'm fabulous, confident, and ready to be your BFF." But if there's a little hook at the end, watch out. Your furry friend might be plotting some playful shenanigans. If you see that tail wagging, don't get too excited. Unlike dogs, a cat's wagging tail isn't a sign of joy. It's more like a ticking time bomb that says, "I'm annoyed," and you might want to back off before I unleash my inner tiger. If your cat's tail suddenly looks like they stuck it in the electrical socket, poof, they're definitely scared or freaked out. If your kitty's tail is wrapped around their body like they're giving themselves a hug, it could mean they're feeling a bit under the weather, or maybe just a bit cold, poor kitty. Cats are very tired animals. You can observe cats curled up in a cozy ball sleeping. Typically, these sleepy kitties can sleep for 14 to 16 hours per day, which is around 70% of their life. When cats want to communicate with other cats, they use their scent and body language, including grooming. And when they are not so fond of their company, hissing and biting, and potentially dancing? Did you know that cats primarily only meow for humans? They meow to say hello or get your attention and ask for things like, "Where's me food?" The oldest cat recorded was 38 years old. The geriatric kitty was named Cream Puff, and Cream Puff was born on the 3rd of August, 1967. Unfortunately, Cream Puff passed away on the 6th of August, 2005. Cream Puff did appear in the 2010 edition of the Guinness Book of Records, though, as the oldest cat in history thus far. Napping experts. Cats love their naps. They can spend an average of 12 to 6 hours sleeping per day, which means they have a unique sleep pattern called polyphasic sleep, which means they sleep in multiple short sessions throughout the day and night. In my cat's case, all day. She just scratches at my door all night. Cats are excellent jumpers and climbers, which is the most obvious fact ever, but thanks to their powerful hind legs and flexible bodies, they can jump up to 6 times their body length in a single leap. And of course, they love to people watch from high places, probably hoping somebody falls over comedically. Cat noses are unique. Just like human fingerprints, each cat's nose has a unique pattern of ridges and bumps. This distinctive nose print can be used to identify individual cats, making it a useful tool for identification And if your cat turns out to be a criminal, on the run! Cats have super senses. Their sense of smell is 14 times stronger than humans, and their hearing is much more acute, capable of detecting ultrasonic frequencies. Cats also have specialized whiskers called vibrissae that help them navigate in the dark and gauge the width of openings.